Hey guys, it's Risa. How are you? Welcome to my kitchen. Look what I just finished making. My 3-ingredient strawberry ice cream sandwiches. And I put some cute sprinkles on them. I'm just going to bring it close so you can see. And we're going to learn how to make another ice cream sandwich, Rocky Road. All right, don't they look super amazing? And so easy and fast. It's a great way if you have a sweet tooth to be able to enjoy something delicious and guilt-free, all right? And only 2 smart points on WW Wellness That Works on each program. So what are you gonna need? First of all, whatever graham wafer brand you have is fine. One sheet is 2 crackers, and that's 2 smart points, okay? And you can break it in half, or you can use a knife, okay? Just do it gently. And then you have 2 crackers to put on top of each other. And I'm using 1.5 tablespoons of ultralight Cool Whip, and that's only 1 smart point. So we're just gonna add that to a little bowl with my cute little spatula that I like to use. And again, if you don't have that brand, you can use another brand. And I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of some cocoa powder, and I use the cocoa berry cocoa powder from Costco, but any brand is fine. With my cute little whisk, whip that up so you get chocolate delicious ice cream. I love Rocky Road, so I figured we'll improvise and make our own version of Rocky Road. All right, so there you go. And of course, some mini marshmallows. I'm only using 10. I counted out 10 marshmallows, little mini tiny ones to add. And I don't even count that because it's only 10 marshmallows. So we're just gonna add that, all right? So easy. And then I'm just gonna put it on my graham wafers. And it makes quite a bit, and I'll bring it up close. It makes it nice and thick, and you can double, triple, quadruple this recipe. Make lots and then keep them in your freezer if you're having company or you just want to have them for a few days in your freezer. Okay, like that. And then I like keeping some toasted almonds. And if you just sprinkle like a tiny, not even 1/8 teaspoon, just a little bit for that crunch, okay? It's so delicious. You don't want almonds. I mean, it is Rocky Road, so there is almonds in it. And you buy them slivered, and you just put them in your toaster for a few minutes. And that's it. And just put the top on, all right? And I have these chocolate sprinkles. So you can put some chocolate sprinkles if you are making it with your kids, your grandchildren, even just for yourself. It's just so cute. The other thing you can do is you could add some little mini tiny chocolate chips, all right? So that's the whole recipe. Easy peasy. The Cool Whip, the graham wafers, the marshmallows, the cocoa, some almonds. And I sprinkled this one like I showed you before. Check out my other recipe for my strawberry ice creams, and it's amazing. So why should you deprive yourself, right? I always talk about the 80-20 rule, and this is guilt-free for 2 smart points depending on what you add and your ingredients. If you add lots of other things to it, which you can do, okay? People always say, Risa, you know, can I add nuts? Can I add seeds? Can I add craisins? Could I add coconut? Whenever you see my recipes, I always list an option chart of other things you can. And I want to hear from you. Did you change it up? Did you keep it the same? Please comment and like and tell other people about my channel. You don't have to be on WW Wellness That Works. Anybody on a journey can enjoy these recipes. Remember, they're all written underneath each video as well. For extra inspiration and motivation and tips and strategies, Check out my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips. And sharing is caring. So tell people. And I love you guys. Enjoy all my recipes and podcasts. Bye for now.